This is the easiest, this is the tastiest, and this is the fastest way to make lunch or dinner. A handful of ingredients for an outstanding result. The leading ingredient is Gorgonzola cheese. Gorgonzola is the Italian version of American blue cheese. It will give your dish depth and flavor. First thing I need to do is remove the crust. It's not good to eat the crust because it's very chewy and it doesn't actually have that much flavor. It's always good to remove it before eating the cheese or using it in recipes. The recipe is super simple. Here I have 4 ounces of Gorgonzola cheese. I am going to put it in a pan that I already heat up on medium heat. I will let the cheese kind of melt, and then I will add 1 ladle of pasta water, and this combination will make the creamiest sauce ever. Now, to give it a crunch, I am going to chop some hazelnuts, and then I am going to toast them to release all the aroma. On the stove, I heat up a pan on medium heat, and when the pan is ready, I dump in all the walnuts and I toast them by lightly shaking them every once in a while. And I do that for about 3 minutes. Last step, drain the pasta, put it in the sauce and sprinkle with the toasted walnuts. And voila! Your lunch, dinner, or even last minute guest coming over is saved. And if you don't like the walnuts, you can always toast some pine nuts and sprinkle them on top. It can be done in both ways. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.